In a recent video I did, I showed you the difference between a domestic and a professional pressure washer and the difference that can make, so I'll link that up above. In this video I'm going to show you with that professional pressure washer how powerful it is. So I'm going to pressure wash a few different things again and show you the effect that the professional pressure washer has on it, and ending up I'm going to be pressure washing skin and seeing if it actually does any damage if you were to go over your skin. So let's get cracking. So for this video I'm going to be using my Series 2 Evolution pressure washer from Dual Pumps, which is 15 litres a minute and it's 250 bar pressure, so I think that will really make a difference. So let's see how we get on. First thing that we're going to pressure wash today is just a cheap work glove. So if you've got just cheap work gloves you're wearing for doing your pressure washing, this is what it'll do if you pressure wash your hand by mistake. So as you could see, it was quite hard to hold that still, but yeah, I wouldn't want to have to go over my hands with these gloves on. Massive hole in them, not a lot of effect at all. So next we're going to have a go at a pair of waterproofs and see if that makes any difference. So I've got a pair of leggings here, they're always a bit long for me, so I'm going to see if I can trim them down a bit. So look at that, straight through them, no problem at all. It really just goes to show the pressure of the power of these pressure washers, and that's why I'm wearing my safety glasses. These are a set of Rileys again from Mstore. Links in the description below them. I don't make anything off the link, but you get a 25% discount if you order from them. So let's carry on and we'll try a pair of wellies next and see if it makes any difference to the rubber on a pair of wellies. Now I've always thought wellies were fairly strong for pressure washing, but this just really does go to show. I hardly touched that, and look at that. Look at that hole, that's just ripped that to pieces. That is absolutely unbelievable. So it really does show. Wellies don't give you a lot of protection either. So yeah, what a difference that makes. So we've tried gloves, we've tried waterproofs, and we've tried wellies, and those are the three things that you normally have for protection. So if you are pressure washing and you're wearing all the correct PPE but it goes through, say you pass out even and it jets pointing at you and it's stuck on, what's it going to do to your skin? So well, I'm not going to try it on my own skin because after seeing what it does to a pair of wellies, frightens me a bit, to be honest. So I've got a joint of pork. They reckon it's one of the things that's most like human skin, so I'm going to try it on a joint of pork and see what it does to it. But looking at that, that is absolutely terrifying. So we'll see what this does. Now this is only quite a small joint of pork. I wasn't going to spend a fortune on it, and I am planning on eating it afterwards. I mean, it's going to be washed, so it has been scored for the crackling, but I don't think that's going to make a lot of difference. I think it's going to do so much damage to that piece of pork. I hope I am still going to be able to eat it afterwards. So let's have a go at the pork and see how we get on. So look at that, that is frightening. There's a hole there, I can stick my thumb in, and that was on for a second. Just think what that would do to your skin if you actually went across your arm or something like that. That is absolutely terrifying. So just goes to show, when you're pressure washing, get a professional to do it, use the proper PPE, and be really careful, because that is absolutely terrifying. It actually goes down and digs into it in the sides as well. It doesn't just go straight in, it's sort of opened up inside. That has made a mess out of that pork. That is terrifying. So hope you found this video interesting. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.